If you live in Knoxville, you know how quickly the weather can shift. Summers bring heat and humidity, while winters can dip into chilly temperatures that send your heating system into overdrive. With energy costs continuing to fluctuate, many homeowners are looking for practical ways to lower their monthly utility bills without sacrificing comfort. One smart solution is installing awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a small, awning effect when open. While they're known for their sleek look and versatility, their real value often shows up in improved energy efficiency, and that can make a noticeable difference in your energy bills. Improved ventilation without letting in the elements. Knoxville's climate often includes humid days and sudden rain showers. Awning windows are uniquely designed to stay open even during light rain, thanks to their outward tilting sash. This means you can let fresh air circulate through your home without worrying about water damage. Better ventilation reduces the need to rely solely on your air conditioner during mild weather. Instead of cranking up the AC on a breezy spring or fall day, you can open your awning windows and allow cross ventilation to naturally cool your space. The less you run your HVAC system, the lower your energy consumption and your monthly bill. Tighter seals for greater efficiency. When closed, awning windows form a tight seal. The sash presses firmly against the frame, helping reduce air leakage. In a climate like Knoxville's, where both heating and cooling systems get a workout throughout the year, minimizing drafts is essential. Air leaks around windows are one of the most common causes of energy loss in homes. Even small gaps can allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature. Modern awning windows are engineered with high-quality weather stripping and compression seals that significantly cut down on these leaks. By keeping warm air inside during winter and hot air outside during summer, awning windows help maintain indoor comfort more efficiently. This steady temperature control can translate into noticeable savings over time. Strategic placement for maximum savings. Awning windows are especially effective when installed higher on walls or paired with larger fixed windows. Their compact design makes them ideal for hard-to-reach areas, such as above kitchen sinks or in bathrooms, where ventilation is essential but wall space is limited. When placed strategically, awning windows can enhance airflow throughout your home. For example, installing them on opposite sides of a room or home allows fresh air to enter from one side and push stale air out the other. This natural air movement reduces indoor heat buildup and can lessen the strain on your air conditioning system during Knoxville's warmer months. In winter, keeping these windows tightly sealed prevents unwanted drafts, helping your heating system maintain a cozy indoor environment without constantly cycling on and off. Energy-efficient glass options. Today's awning windows often come with energy-efficient glass options that further reduce energy use. Double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help reflect heat, reduce UV rays, and improve overall thermal performance. For Knoxville homeowners, this means better insulation against summer heat and winter cold. Low-E coatings can reflect a significant portion of solar heat while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. More natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, which also contributes to lower electricity usage. Long-term value and comfort. Reducing energy bills isn't just about short-term savings. It's also about increasing the overall efficiency and value of your home. Awning windows offer a combination of functionality, durability, and modern style that appeals to many homeowners. By improving ventilation, minimizing air leakage, and incorporating advanced glass technology, awning windows provide year-round benefits in Knoxville's varied climate. The result is a more comfortable living environment and a home that works smarter, not harder, to maintain ideal temperatures. If you're looking for a practical upgrade that can make a real impact on your energy costs, awning windows are worth considering. Over time, the savings on your utility bills can help offset the initial investment, making them a smart and energy-conscious choice for Knoxville homeowners.